So, just a quick video to show you what's new on ulazai.com. Still the same cheap price for VO2 and VO3 fast videos. We've added Nano Banana, the image model. You can generate images and you can edit them. We have added a street interview AI. You can generate videos like these.
What advice would you give to your younger self?
Don't stress so much. Most of the
So you can just press example 1 to use the examples from the site, and you will generate these kind of videos. We have added Kling, so you can add generate videos with Kling V1 Master Pro with the input and end image, and as well the V2.1 standard. And as you can see, the price is right. The cheap prices. One of the greatest new features we added is to create UGC videos. I will show you a couple of examples in the prompt directory. So what we got, for example, this one.
This bundle's like having a digital business on autopilot.
As you can
Everything
see,
you need is ready to go.
Perfect UGC video generated with the system. This is a nice video, I think. Someone created this beautiful video. Cool. Nice. It's a great ad. So if you need some inspiration, check out the prompt directory or try to use the new agent. Let's give me a video about a flying cat. And this is the simple mode. And we can even turn on the expert mode and ask for it again. And then we will get a much better, improve further. A much better prompt that we can use on Ulazai. I think as you can see, here's the prompt. Cool. What else did we add? We add, let's see, Seedream AI Studio. Let's do a quick image generation. You can generate images and you can generate videos. Let's look at some examples. As you can see, some images, some videos, some interviews. Done already? Oh, of course, it's done. So it's over here. Yeah, we can download it. Yeah, nice. So you can generate videos as well with it. Image to video, V1 Pro or V1 Lite. Let me look. We got Luma Modify. We got Runway videos, video model, and of course we got the UGC character consistency. So that's all. If you have any questions about Ulazai, just contact me or ask your questions in the comment section.